Hello, and welcome to this session, Learning Outcome LO1. Understand the structure and function of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids, and the importance of nucleic acids in genetics. Today we will learn that. Have you ever wondered how your body uses different molecules to function? In this session, we will explore the structure and function of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids, as well as the crucial role of nucleic acids in genetics. Join us to uncover the biochemical principles that underpin life and enable our bodies to grow, repair, and maintain vital functions. Carbohydrates are organic molecules composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They exist as monosaccharides like glucose, disaccharides like sucrose, and polysaccharides like starch. Monosaccharides form rings and join through glycosidic bonds. These are the body's main energy source, with glucose used in respiration to release ATP. Glycogen and starch store glucose in animals and plants, respectively. Carbohydrates provide energy and structural support. Glucose is broken down in cellular respiration to produce ATP, powering cell activities. Glycogen and starch store carbohydrates for later use. Cellulose provides structural support in plant cell walls. Carbohydrates also play a role in cell recognition and signaling through glycoproteins. Proteins are chains of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. They have 4 structural levels: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. The sequence of amino acids determines the protein's shape and function. Proteins act as enzymes, hormones, antibodies, and structural components. Their function depends entirely on their shape. Proteins carry out most of the cell's work. They speed up reactions as enzymes, transport molecules, and form structural components. Proteins are also crucial for defense as antibodies and for movement with actin and myosin. They regulate processes through hormones and are essential for growth and repair. Their diverse functions stem from their unique shapes. Lipids are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, with fewer oxygen atoms than carbohydrates. They include triglycerides, phospholipids, and steroids. Triglycerides are formed from glycerol and 3 fatty acids. Phospholipids, with a hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail, form cell membranes. Steroids like cholesterol play roles in hormone production. Lipids provide long-term energy storage and insulation. They form the phospholipid bilayer of cell membranes, controlling entry and exit of substances. Lipids also aid in cell signaling and hormone production. Steroids maintain membrane fluidity and act as hormone precursors. Their diverse roles are vital for cellular function. Nucleic acids, DNA, and RNA store and transmit genetic information. DNA is a double helix with bases A, T, C, and G forming genes. These genes code for proteins essential for cellular function. DNA is replicated during cell division, ensuring genetic information is passed on. Mutations in DNA can lead to variations in traits. RNA is usually single-stranded and helps decode DNA during protein synthesis. mRNA carries the genetic message from DNA. tRNA brings amino acids to the ribosome for protein assembly. rRNA forms part of the ribosome, facilitating protein synthesis. RNA plays a crucial role in translating genetic information into functional proteins. Carbohydrates are crucial for cellular energy and structure. Glucose is broken down to produce ATP, powering cell functions. Glycogen and starch store carbohydrates for future energy needs. Cellulose strengthens plant cell walls, while glycoproteins aid in cell recognition. These roles make carbohydrates indispensable for cellular life. Correct. Proteins perform a wide range of cellular functions. They act as enzymes, speeding up biochemical reactions. Membrane proteins facilitate transport of ions and molecules. Structural proteins like collagen provide support, while antibodies defend against pathogens. Their role in cellular processes is vital for life. Lipids are essential for cell membrane structure and function. They form the phospholipid bilayer, regulating substance movement. Lipids also store energy and provide insulation. Steroids like cholesterol maintain membrane fluidity and serve as hormone precursors. Their roles are critical for maintaining cellular integrity. Carbohydrates are the main energy source for most organisms. Glucose fuels cellular respiration, releasing ATP for various activities. Plants store energy as starch, while animals use glycogen. Structural carbohydrates like cellulose and chitin provide support. They also aid in cell communication, facilitating organismal interactions. Proteins are vital for biological processes. They function as enzymes, speeding up reactions necessary for life. Proteins provide structural support and facilitate transport. They play roles in immunity, movement, and regulation. Their diverse functions are essential for organismal health and homeostasis. Lipids are crucial for energy storage and insulation. They form cell membranes, enabling communication and substance regulation. Steroid lipids maintain membrane fluidity and act as hormone precursors. Lipids protect organs and regulate body temperature. Their roles are indispensable for organismal survival. Nucleic acids are the blueprint of life, storing genetic information. DNA encodes genes, guiding protein synthesis. RNA translates DNA messages into proteins. Mutations in nucleic acids can lead to genetic diversity. Their role in heredity and evolution is fundamental to biology. Carbohydrates have three main forms: monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides like glucose are simple sugars. Disaccharides such as sucrose are double sugars. Polysaccharides like starch and cellulose are complex carbohydrates. Their structural diversity supports various biological functions. Proteins have four structural levels: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. The primary structure is the amino acid sequence. Secondary structures include alpha helices and beta sheets. Tertiary structure involves 3D folding. Quaternary structure is the assembly of multiple polypeptides. Lipids include triglycerides, phospholipids, and steroids. Triglycerides consist of glycerol and fatty acids. Phospholipids have a hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tails. Steroids like cholesterol have a complex ring structure. These structural variations enable diverse biological roles. Nucleic acids, DNA, and RNA are polymers of nucleotides. DNA is a double helix, while RNA is usually single-stranded. Nucleotides consist of a sugar, phosphate group, and nitrogenous base. The sequence of bases encodes genetic information. This structure is critical for genetic transmission. In conclusion, the intricate world of biochemical principles reveals the fundamental role of biomolecules in sustaining the complexity of life. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on WhatsApp at 07484361688. Our team will be delighted to help. Thank you, and see you at the next session.